Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to solve shoutout problem in Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will know how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our settings. So what we're going to do is to clear our data so that any glitch or problems with Instagram will be fixed. So just go to your settings, and after going to settings, just go on your apps and then look for Instagram. After that, click Instagram, then click storage, and then click clear storage right here. So after that, just try it again and see if your Instagram works now. But if it still doesn't work, then the next thing that we need to do is to go on Play Store and make sure that our Instagram is on the latest version. So just go on your Play Store and then search for Instagram and then see if your Instagram is on the latest version. So as you can see right there, mine is not on the latest version, so all we have to do is to click update and then wait for it to finish. And now that it is done installing, just click open and then see if your shoutout problem is already fixed. So just go here on this icon right here, click this one on the bottom and then click story and then go to create and then click this one right here and then just mention anyone that you want to greet happy birthday or anyone that you want to shout out. Then just click next and it is now ready to be posted. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.